Good morning to all the second BCom General and Computer students, Section A as well as Section B students. Yesterday we discussed about the introduction of the annuities, and today's class is also about the annuities only, the features of annuities and how they are helping the common people. We are going to learn today also. Say two classes of annuity I recorded and sent you. So today's class is the second class of annuities. So I request all the students to concentrate on the classes and listen the classes appropriately so that it may not be repeated once again. Clear? So move on to the topic. Today's topic is what? Introduction to annuities. So we discussed what is annuity yesterday. Annuity is nothing but an insurance based contract between you and the insurer. So we also discussed about how to buy the annuity, fees, expenses, payment options, and today we are going to learn about the common annuity riders as well as features of annuities. And today's topic is about the features of annuities. Before going to the features of annuities, once again I am repeating you what is annuity. Okay, so most of the insurance plans cover death of insured, but if insured live beyond the income earning period, then he must have some earning to meet his requirements. So what is happening? He is earning, he is saving. Till where he is saving? Till his life he is saving. So beyond his retirement, okay, at the age, when the age comes of dependent on one more person, what is the question of him? So that should be planned before. So annuities are covering that type of policies. Otherwise, an individual have two options: to deposit money in the bank and earn some return to take the annuity policy with the insurance companies. And annuity plans does not focus on insurability but consider longevity of the annuities after taking annuity plans, so that the amount of the annuity payable can be determined. So two options are there for the person. One is how the amount can be deposited in the bank and you are keeping a fixed deposit, or you are keeping some other deposits according to the requirement of yours. So the fixed deposit also can be changed into an annuity plan where the rate of interest when compared to the deposits is going to be huge. The returns what you are expected in annuities may be high when compared to that of the deposits. Both you can trust the bank, you also can trust the insurance companies. Why? Because annuities are made by insurance companies, fixed deposits are made by the banks. So you have two options. Any option you can choose. You can choose bank fixed deposit, or also you can change into annuities of the life insurance. So both are the trusted companies only. Both are safe places. Banks are protected by RBI. Life insurance are protected by IRDA. Clear? Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is protecting all these insurance companies. When you come to the different ways of providing the required pension schemes, we have mainly four type of pension schemes. First one is joint policy system, social security system, employers assistance, own arrangements. So here we have joint family system, social security system, employers assistance, and own arrangements are also based on the requirements of joining this annuities. Okay, in joint family system, what is happening is family members support each other financially. Family will not have any impact with the death of any member. So family is not showing any impact of financial condition to support the person who has been expired. Social security system, what is happening? Most of the countries provide some important social security systems as a social security of old, unemployed and physically handicapped people. So social security is given for three people. Even in India nowadays you are able to see the social security system. So here three people are covered. Who are the three people? Are old people, unemployed people, and next one is the physically handicapped people. Even the government of India is also planning these annuities for two people, that is old people and physically handicapped people. It is giving the support to employees in the form of advances. Employers, who is an employer? The person or the organization who is running the organization. The principal, the managing director, the executive, okay, comes under the employers who are giving the employment. That people also give some security for their employees who are working for their organization. Okay, so that security comes under employer assistance. Okay, own arrangements. Own arrangements means if all the three methods are not possible, then the person must take care of himself. A person must save some money, okay, to meet his expenses and old age expenses. Annuity plans in insurance are useful for this kind of persons. So here what is happening? Own arrangements means there is no government security, there is no joint family security, there is no employer security, means fourth option. What is the fourth option? You should make your own arrangements. What arrangements? Future financial arrangements after the retirement or at the old age. So four types of systems are there. One is joint family system. Next one is social security system. Next one is the employer assistance. And next one is the own arrangements. So first one is what? Joint family means one of the family members, all the financial arrangements are made by all these family members. Under joint family, no government is taking any initiative to help you people. Whereas in the social security system, what is happening? Government is giving some schemes and the financial benefits to the people, like the physically handicapped people, widows, old age employees, etc. So from government, at least the minimum amount, the minimum requirement is provided to the people for surviving in this country. So that comes under social security system. Second one. Third one is what? Employer's assistance. When you go for employer assistance, who is giving the assistance here? Employer is giving the assistance to the employee by giving the loans or advances or financial support or deductions and helping by paying the PF, ESI, etc. Okay. Next, own arrangements means you are making your own arrangements. Four types of methods are there where you can plan up the annuities. So let's see the features which are presented here. So death benefits, most annuities have the protection. So what is happening here is annuities does not require any proof of insurability. It does not require any insurability for your annuities. Death benefits, most annuities have death protection. Why we are joining is in this insurance annuities? Because after our death also our family should be protected. Our family should get the financial support. Okay. Tax. Of course everyone knows that everyone want to avoid the tax. They don't want to pay the tax or they want to get exempted from the tax. So if you invest in annuities, if you pay the life insurance, what is happening is tax deduction is going to be less. Unlimited contributions, number of contributions you can make for this annuities. Any number of contributions you can save in this annuities. Living benefits are also there, not only after death, not only after the retirement, but when you are alive also some financial benefits are given when you are in risk. Okay, why? Because why we are using only when we are in risk? When we are normal, no need of financial assistance because we are good, we can earn. We can provide our security. When we need the security, when we are not in a condition to get the financial support only, we want the security. That purpose for the future events you are planning today for living benefits. Investment flexibility means it is no restriction that you should only invest 5,000 per month or you should invest only 1 lakh per year or you should invest only 20,000 per year. No. As your wish, according to you, according to your convenience. Okay, according to your income level, according to your arrangements, there are some funds where you can invest. Okay, even the other products also are available under annuities. Okay, types of annuities we discussed yesterday, that is immediate annuities and the joint annuities. So today we will see the calculation of present value of annuity, that is mathematically present value of annuity, how much amount you are going to receive today when you are in demand of your cash which is saved with the insurance company in the form of annuity means what should you do, how they are going to calculate. PV here means present value of what? Of an annuity. What is an annuity? A investment which is existing with the insurance company which you saved regularly, periodically with the insurance company comes under annuity. Why you saved? For risk benefits, for future benefits, for retirement benefits, for death benefits, as well as for longevity of your life you saved today. Okay, so what is the formula? C into 1 minus into 1 plus I to the power of n. So what is I, what is n, and total value is again divided by I. So see here where C is equal to cash flow per period. How much cash is existing? Total cash you saved in the investment, how much is existing? Interest rate, how much rate of interest the insurance company is ready to pay to you today? At today's present rate, how much insurance it is going to pay to you comes at a rate of interest. Number of payments. Have you paid periodically, that is monthly, every 3 months or every 6 months or yearly, or how many years, since how many years you are paying? These all number of payments and the cash value you paid regularly. It is going to check, then it is going to decide how much amount should be paid for risk benefit, death benefit, retirement benefit. It will plan according to the risk. It is going to provide the financial assistance to you. In this way, the present value of the annuity is calculated. Okay. Next, if you see the companies which are providing the annuity benefits, if you see many number of companies are there, you can see here. One is Prudential Life Insurance, you are able to see. Pacific Life, you are able to see. Fidelity, okay, Ing Vaishya, New York Life Insurance, Mass Mutual Funds, Aviva. Okay, many more companies are also existing which are providing the annuity investments. Means whatever we are saving with LIC, these people are providing the security to LIC, LIC is providing the security to us. Why the companies need to invest? Why these all companies are responsible for investing with LIC? The question may come. What is the reason is, actually life insurance company in India started in 1956 only. So when it started in 1956, the LIC, the life insurance company, was a public sector company. What is the meaning of public sector company? A company which is owned and run by the government, which is under the control of the government. Later on, what happened in 1999, even the private people, private big companies existing in India also want to invest in these insurance companies. So because of liberalization, privatization and globalization, which came into existence in 1991. In 1991, when LPG reform came into India. What is reform? New changes which has been brought in India for development of India. Various plans has been programmed in 1991 to develop India. So that model is LPG. What is LPG full form? Liberalization, privatization and globalization. I repeat, liberalization, privatization and globalization. This model came in 1991. So according to this model, privatization is existing. What is the meaning of privatization? Public sectors can be changed into private sectors. Till now, whatever are under the control of the government can be sold out to the private people. Private people also can purchase the government sectors and run the sectors in order to increase the profits of the country. Privatization. Because of privatization, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation, also became privatized. In which year it became privatized? In 1999 it became privatized. Who became privatized? Life Insurance Company became privatized in 1999, which was a public sector company. So who started controlling after LIC, after the life insurance companies became privatized? 56 public sector and more than 56 non-life insurance companies are existing in India. So these all has been privatized in 1999, and IRDA took the responsibility of controlling, framing the objectives, role, functions, okay, restrictions of these all companies which want to do the business with the life insurance corporation. Suppose these all companies want to come and do the business with the life insurance companies, means they should follow all the principles, guidelines, functions given by IRDA. Then only they can come into the contract of life insurance corporation. So what is IRDA full form? Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, started in 1999 for the control of all the insurance policies, all the insurance companies, and protection of all the insurance holders, policy holders, as well as the insurance companies. Because IRDA came into existence, these all companies started investing in insurance companies and helping all the insurance companies. Clear? Next, parties to the annuity. If you see, there are 4 parties to the annuities. There are 4 parties. First and the foremost one is annuity issuer, the owner, the annuitant, and the beneficiary. So who is annuity contractor or annuity issuer? Insurance company is called as annuity issuer, the owner of the holder. The annuitant, the person who is providing the policy. The beneficiary, annuitant, we comes under annuitant. Who is beneficiary? After us. Who is the person taking the responsibility of taking our finance or of using our finance? Comes under beneficiary. He is a particular person's wife or children or guardian or someone else. Comes under beneficiary. The annuity issuer is a company that issues the annuity. Annuity issuer means what? The insurance company which is giving the annuity plan to you. The owner is the individual or the other entity who buys the annuity from the annuity issuer and makes the contributions to annuity. So second point came here. What is the point? Who is the individual here? Owner. We can take the New York Life Insurance, MedLife Insurance, Prudential Life Insurance are the other companies who are also providing the annuity plans. So life insurance company is selling the policies, annuities to these private companies, and these private companies are coming into contact with the public and selling the annuity policies. Next, if you come forward, there are mainly parties to the annuity. First one is the owner. Okay, the annuitant, the beneficiary, and the issuer. You are able to see the issuer. Issuer company is given there. Issues the annuity, accepts the premium and promises to pay the annuity benefits. The issuer issues the annuity, accepts the premium, promises to pay the annuity benefits. Owner purchases the annuity, make withdrawals, receives annuitation payments, etc. Who is the owner? We. The customers are the owners of this annuity, where we are paying, where we are withdrawing, where we are investing. Okay. Next, annuitant, you can see, provides a measuring life for determining annuity payments. Who is annuitant? Who is taking the responsibility of these payments of annual plans? Who is the beneficiary? You can see here, a kid and is given, a woman is given. He may be a wife or a child or a guardian or any person who is receiving the annual benefits, means the benefits of this annuity or the insurance plans comes under parties of annuities. There are 2 types of annuities. One is the fixed annuities and the next one is the variable annuities. Guaranteed return of principal and minimum interest. So in fixed annuities, if you see, what is happening is there is pakka return, means they promise you beforehand only that this much amount of money you are going to get at the end of the annuity completes. Along with that, the rate of interest is also going to be added. Fixed interest earnings, generally no fees. So what is happening? Fixed interest earnings means you want regularly, how you are taking the dividends or how you are taking the profits in the business. Same way you also can take the money in the form of interest from these annuity companies. So generally there is no fees for fixed annuities. When you come for variable annuities, generally no guaranteed earnings based on sub-accountant performance. So it is not giving a promise to you that this much amount only it is going to pay to you when you are required. That may be risk, death or longevity or retirement of the life. There is no fixed plan. Here there is a plan, here it is a promise, here there is no promise. Investment choice is sub-accounts, means according to the choice it is going to change the rate of interest. Fees are also there. Where the fees are there? In the variable annuities there are the charges, fee charges are there. Just now I said you concepts of the annuities. If you see, joint family system, social security system, employer's assistance and own arrangements. Joint family system means the family members are responsible for paying the financial position, means they comes under joint family system. Social security means government of India or the Telangana government is taking the responsibility of paying some amount, some financial support to the old age people, to widows, physically handicapped people, unemployed people. Monthly some amount nowadays you are able to see. In that way some financial support is coming, means it comes under social security system. Employer assistance means the organization is paying the financial support to their employees. Okay, own arrangements means there three are mentioned. These three supports are not there for us. We are making our own plans for insurance and saving for the future, means it comes under own arrangements. Next, characteristic features. If you see, annuities does not require any proof of insurability. It is not asking any proof. Standard age proof is needed towards an annuity installment and start the annuity. Age proof is compulsory to join the policy. The contribution can be half yearly, quarterly and monthly. So what is telling you want to save? How you can save? You can pay every month. You can save give every 3 months, every 6 months or at the end of 1 year. Annuity policy can be taken by a single or individual or combined with the spouse. So I can pay with my children or I can pay with my homemaker. Clear, that is with the family heads. So in this way, anyway, individual or joint policy can be made. First point, what is telling? There is no insurability, no guarantee. You can't, no need to take some guarantee or security from other person. No standard age proof is required. You can pay the payments every month, every 3 months, every 6 months and half yearly or yearly. So annuity policy can be taken for one person or for combinedly also you can take for your family. Persons applying for annuity plans should be healthy on the date of application. When you are joining this policy, you should be strong. You should not have any health issues. Why you should not have health issues? If you have any health issues, the return what is going to be expected in future may be less. Okay, there are flexible benefits in annuities. According to the requirements, the benefits are going to be provided by the insurance companies. According to the requirements, they are provided. Next, the minimum amount paid as annuity is decided by the insurer. Who is deciding? The insurance company is deciding how much amount should be paid to you. Amount can be paid to individuals from the age after 40 till 75. So how they are paying this annuity benefits is from 40 till 75 years. I hope that everyone understood the class. Please concentrate in the class and listen the class. Very important topic. Please concentrate. Stay home. Stay safe.